Hi viewer, today we are going to show you a wonderful electric bicycle that you can carry very easily. It can be folded, which is why it can be kept in a small space. The bicycle is capable of running at 24 kilometers per hour. The bike looks awesome. The bike has a digital meter which makes it more beautiful. Both front and rear wheels have hydraulic brakes, which will help you reduce speed with speed. So let's see all the details. City Electric Folding Bike 36V250W LCD display, a disc brake electric bicycle. Electric system. Motor 36V250W brushless rear drive. Battery lithium battery, 36V13A. Meter LCD displayer. Accelerator thumb throttle. Charger. 100 volts to 240 volts, 48V2A. Charge time, 3/4H. Power. 5 classes Power plus Cruise. Main components. Frame alloy. Wheel 16-inch integrated aluminium wheel. Tire Kenda 162.125. Light LED front light. Brake front and rear disc brake. Brake lever alloy power cutoff when braking, waxing brand. Gear 6 speed. Derailleur Shimano. Handlebar alloy. Stem alloy. Seat post alloy, Phi 339 chain nickel plating, rusting proof. Chain wheel 52T. Saddle leather, soft and comfortable. Pedal foldable. Performance. Max. Speed 25 km/h. Mileage 68 km. Max. Load 110 kg. Weight NW, 20 kg GW, 25 kg. Open size 14005801000. Folding size 75036070. Packing size 77037060. Then the viewer must have liked to see this amazing electric bicycle and hear its details. Then without further ado, click on the link given in my description box and buy my product. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon next to it. Thanks for watching my video.